In the LNMIT, we have a wide variety of sports. We have a football ground and a cricket field adjacent to each other. We have 2 basketball courts, 1 squash court, 3 indoor badminton courts, a gym, many TT tables. In addition, we have an around the college jogging path that will be renovated soon after the rains have subdued. You will be provided with all the sports equipment needed by the sports council members on request. But the college has limited resources and funds and might not able to suffice everybody every time. I kindly request you to purchase your own materials and rackets if possible to avoid any inconvenience. Even though the inception of the institute is not very old, our college teams have made tremendous strides and put a mark in every field. Our martial arts team and chess team has been a constant source of medals and accolades. All around the calendar, you will find some of the other sporting events going on in the institute, from inter-year to inter-house, from open to friendly ties. You will be provided with ample of opportunities to showcase your skills. One thing I want to specially emphasize is that no matter which year you belong to, if you have got the skills, we have got a place in the team. I assure you to my fullest, no sports council member is biased or prejudiced against any student of any year. Seniority does not rule in the sports, that's a personal guarantee. If any of the students feel any apprehension or faces any problem, you are most welcome to contact to the sports council members or me 24/7. We also recently conducted our very first athletic day, which comprised of various track and field events and various throwing events like javelin throw and shot put. We also organized one of the biggest sporting festival in India, namely the Desportivos. We received a total participation of more than 2,500 students from across 25 different colleges from India. Total prize of more than 2 lakh rupees was distributed to the winners. Owners of conducting and organizing the event was primarily of the first and second year students. I expect you all to show the same enthusiasm as shown by the previous year students. I would like to take this opportunity to highlight that you all first year students play a major role in organizing the Desportivos. The success and failure of this mega event depends on the willingness and participation of the first year students. We, the seniors, constantly mentoring you, but the final push will be from your side. Last, I would like to remind you all that college life is never gonna come back, so enjoy it to its fullest. Sooner or later, most of you will be entering into the corporate world and might not get chance to try or even play different sports. You won't get a better opportunity again. If you do not know a game, do not feel hesitant. Learn it in the college and give it a shot. Now I would like to invite Pragya to speak on stage.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. That is the better order. Good morning, everyone. I know सुबह उठ के आना 6-7 बजे उठे होगे यहाँ आके नहा धो के बिल्कुल ready. I know it's tough. Anyways, a very, very warm welcome to all of you. And you should feel proud that you are now part of this college, that is LNMIT. And you should feel proud actually, because धीरे-धीरे you'll get to know that what things actually happen here and what are the rules and what are the basic things that take place here. So just enjoy, and everyone please smile. Broaden your smiles. This will actually energize me and give me enthusiasm to speak and entertain you people or whatsoever you people are thinking, right? There's only one rule till the time I speak. Whatsoever I ask you in the end, कि आपको मेरी speech समझ में आई या नहीं आई, you have to say कि हाँ समझ आ गई. समझ आई हो या नहीं आई हो, आपको मुझे feel तो यही कराना है कि आपको समझ आ गई, चाहे कोई भी बात हो. ठीक है? एनीवेज पहले अपना थोड़ा सा फॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन. आई एम प्रज्ञा झा फ्रॉम 4th year White and Batch, EC branch, and I am acting as Associate GSEC under Shivam Sharma. Thank you, Shivam, for describing whole of the Sports Council. You actually eased my work. I don't have to speak a lot about Sports Council because this is something that I can't speak about, that I can't talk about, that you have to live. When you live sports, then you'll get to know what actually sports is, right? I remember some of your parents asked me why Sports and Cultural Council in Engineering College. I have a very simple answer to it. I would actually like to analogize it with Indian politics. Why Lalu Prasad Yadav in Indian politics? What's his use? Only recreation. I don't think कि उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा किया है जिसको हम 10 साल बाद इसलिए याद रखें कि उन्होंने बिहार को यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचा दिया, वहाँ से यहीं पहुँचाया है. अगर हम कुछ याद करते हैं उनको किसी चीज़ में, इफ़ वी ट्राई टू कभी उनको याद करने की कोशिश करेंगे भी शायद फ्यूचर में, तो ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ रिक्रिएशन, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट स्पोर्ट्स इज गोइंग टू गिव यू. रिक्रिएशन, बैलेंस बिटवीन योर माइंड एंड योर बॉडी, एंड दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. How many of you, whether you live in USA earning millions, or you are in Pakistan being a terrorist, or you are in India not earning so much, what is the most important thing is health. सब कुछ है दुनिया में, पैसा है, टाइम भी है, लेकिन हेल्थ ही नहीं है तो क्या करोगे टाइम का, क्या करोगे उन पैसों का? कुछ नहीं. So what is the most important thing is health. Anyways, how many of you know that health is the most important thing, and how many of you know that morning walk, exercises, sports keeps us fit? Raise your hands. Almost all of you. Now how many do that? Why so less? This is a competitive world right now, right? Competition is intrinsic as well as extrinsic. What intrinsic, what extrinsic? Intrinsic, that is within yourselves, within your batch. Extrinsic as in with the whole outside real world. Now I don't know when this real world actually starts. When I was in class 12, my parents used to tell me, अब कॉलेज जाओगी रियल वर्ल्ड पता चलेगा क्या होता है. जब कॉलेज में आ गए, जब बाहर निकलोगे तब पता चलेगा रियल वर्ल्ड क्या होता है. आई डोंट नो व्हेन दिस रियल वर्ल्ड, वेयर दिस रियल वर्ल्ड एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट, नोबडी नोज. सो यू हैव टू बिलीव दैट द रियल वर्ल्ड has started. This is your real world, and this is actually your first week of this real world. Again I see all the smiles frowning. Broaden it again. The people at the back, if you think that I can't see you, then you are mistaken. Right? I jotted some points because I think I'll forget. Okay, since I saw that very less people are there who actually go for recreation sort of things and exercises and everything, I would actually like you to explain that why is it important to maintain a balance between your body as well as your mind. सोच लिया कि कल सुबह से मॉर्निंग वॉक शुरू करेंगे, पता है कि हेल्थ एक्सरसाइजेस करना चाहिए, उससे हेल्दी रहेंगे. शुरू किया, कल से शुरू करना. आज रात में 10 बजे सो गए कि भाई कल 6 बजे उठूँगा और मॉर्निंग वॉक करने जाऊँगा. सब सो गए. 6 जैसे आप 10 बजे सो गए, मैं श्योर हूँ कि 10:15 तक आपको कोई बाहर से आवाज़ लगा देगा, और अब उठ के आपको 1 मिनट नहीं लगेगा, आप उठ के बाहर चले जाओगे. मॉर्निंग वॉक की सोच तो वहीं रहेगी बेड पे, आप बाहर आ गए. आपने सोचा चलो 1 आध घंटे गप्पे शप्पे मार के फिर अंदर पहुँचेंगे. 1 आध घंटे आपने गप्पा मारा, फिर आप अंदर पहुँचे, रूम पहुँचे, तो फिर चलो थोड़ी देर फेसबुकिंग कर लें, थोड़ी देर ये कर लें, थोड़ी देर वो कर लें. बज गए आपके 1 या 2. नाउ व्हेन यू गो टू स्लीप, अब आपने ये सोच लिया कि अब तो मैं उठ ही नहीं पाऊँगा, कल सुबह पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि अभी सो रहा हूँ 1-2 बजे, कहाँ ही उठूँगा 6 बजे. एंड द टाइम आप ऐसा सोच लोगे, योर माइंड विल एक्चुअली गिव हंड्रेड्स ऑफ रीजन्स कि हाँ कल आप नहीं उठ सकते. सबसे पहला रीज़न तो ये देगा कि यार पिछले बार भी ऐसा करने की कोशिश की थी, हो तो पाया नहीं था. इस तरह थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रीज़न यूल गेट, बिकॉज आपने ये सोच लिया है कि मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. अब यही चीज़ जब आप सोने के लिए जा रहे हो, भले 2 ही क्यों ना बज रहे हो, आप ये सोच के जाओ मुझे कल उठना ही है, तो आपका माइंड एक्चुअली में आपको मना करेगा कि नहीं उठ पाएगा तुम. बट फिर आपको यू हैव टू से टू योरसेल्फ कि मुझे उठना है. फिर मना करेगा, फिर आपको कहना है कि मुझे उठना है, फिर मना करेगा, फिर आपको कहना है. वन डे डेफिनेटली आपका माइंड वो 100 रीज़न ज़रूर ढूंढ लेगा जिस वजह से आप मॉर्निंग वॉक करने जाओगे. और उसमें से कुछ रीज़न ऐसे होंगे, यार एक बार ट्रेन पकड़ने के लिए मैं 3 बजे उठा था जबकि मैं 1 बजे ही सोया था. 2 घंटे की स्लीप तब याद आएगी. आपको अपने आप को उस तरह से बनाना है, आपको अपने माइंड पे कंट्रोल करना है. एंड माइंड कैन ओनली बी कंट्रोल विथ हेल्दी बॉडी, राइट? मैंने आपको कहा था आपको समझ आए या ना आए, आपको मुझे फील कराना है कि आपको समझ आ गया. आपको बात समझ आई? चलो गुड. इसका मतलब कि शायद सबको समझ आ गई है. आई डोंट थिंक कि मैं स्पोर्ट्स काउंसिल के बारे में ज़्यादा और कहूँगी, बिकॉज शिवम एक्चुअली गेव यू ऑल द डिटेल्स एंड वी इवन हैव योगा क्लासेस हियर. आई थिंक ही मिस्ड आउट दिस पॉइंट. सो all those who really feel that yoga is good for health, I feel it is very good for health. So you all should join yoga classes, and there are many sports activities that are actually taking throughout the SEM, throughout the year, and throughout your four years. You actually will not have any time to go any other place if you are in sports activities. So I would like to end up here, and I would like to call Shivam. I think he wants to introduce you all to the general body members, etc.
Any doubts or questions regarding the sports council, you can please ask.
Can we borrow bats? Cricket bat.
Hello? The coordinators that has been assigned for the cricket will soon be given all the kit. You can ask for each and everything from them. From ball, bat, pads, everything.
Thank you sir.
Any other?
यहाँ पे रेसिंग ट्रैक नहीं होता सर? सर यहाँ रेसिंग ट्रैक नहीं है. रेसिंग ट्रैक सर.
Racing tracks? We already have a jogging track and we are planning to convert into a racing track, but actually the cost is very high to actually make that kind of track which you actually see in the television. So, but we are trying our level best to get a level track for racing and track. As I told you earlier, the list of all the coordinators. Yes.
Volleyball court.
Volleyball court.
Yes, sir.
We have one volleyball court right beside the SAC.
But that is not in good condition, sir.
Since due to the rainy season, there is a lot of grass and bushes. Soon after, I guess 4 or 5 days, the grass will be cut and the court will be leveled.
Okay, sir.
It will be made playable within a week. Conclude this presentation by calling up all the general body members as well as the elected members on the stage. Siddharth, finance member. Then we have Nikhil Ranka, Tanishk, Yashvardhan, Medha Boss. If you guys have any problem regarding any kind of sports activities, you can please contact them or me or Pragyaja. We'll try to come with a solution as fast as possible. Thank you.
Invite Mr. Vibhor Parekh, GSEC Science and Tech, to brief us about the Science and Tech Council.
Science and Tech Council. So, at least on paper, I'm supposed to be leading all the science and tech activities in this institute. In reality, I'm just what you might say a resource manager. What I do is I manage resources. It's somewhat similar to what class monitors we had in classes, right? We had class monitors whom we all used to hate. That person used to say, keep quiet or I'll complain you to the teacher. So, some sort of that role. I'm basically a bridge between us, the students, and the faculty members. And speaking of resource management, my biggest resource, could anyone say what my biggest resource is? Ridul?
Eol.
Outstanding. Okay, this is a nice patch. Excellent. So it was that predictable, right? You all are my biggest resource, basically. So whatever inputs I get from you, I could take it and forward it for the betterment of this institute. And before I begin, I would like to say that before my presentation, the Cultural Council also came, Sports Council also came, and now is mine. So this is not a war, I tell you. Okay, let's have a short pop quiz. How many of you like to dance? Show of hands. Okay, sing. Nice. Play. How many of you play? Outstanding. How many of you into robotics? Or interested in technology, gizmo gadgets? Excellent. So now if you look among yourself, you will see that all these groups, they are not mutually exclusive, right? Some people would be in one or more than one categories. So this is exactly what the Gymkhana is trying to promote. All these councils ultimately have one solitary goal: your all-round development. Okay? Because in this real world, when you go outside for interviews and all, you won't exactly be judged on what your CGPA is. I'm not saying it's not an important criteria. It is an extremely important criteria which sets the benchmark. But let's say if you have 5 people on the same benchmark, now what they would look for? They would look at what extracurricular activities you have been a part of. So the Gymkhana gives you or is made to indulge us in all these extracurricular activities for a betterment. Coming back, okay, Science and Tech Council. So, slide please. Basically, Science and Tech Council is all about ideas. What happens is that there's a small flowchart sort of things. It sort of looks cool to have one in a presentation, so I had it. So for generating ideas, you need to be aware. Because until and unless you are aware of something, you cannot generate ideas. Let's say if Mark Zuckerberg was living in a slum in India, so I highly doubt that he would have made up this multi-billionaire Facebook thing. So until and unless you are aware of your surroundings, you cannot generate ideas. Once you are aware, what happens is that you know about something. You say, okay, this thing lacks here, and I think I can improve it by this way. So what you do is, you create an idea. Say, for example, Google. Before Google, searching was pathetic. I mean, we have all been in that phase where finding something on the internet was very difficult. After Google, it's like this. I mean, just type in a word and you'll know what it is. So you generate the ideas. Next step is to express those ideas effectively. I mean, I had an idea that, okay, I would be addressing you all. But until and unless I had some basic elementary grasp on language, I would not be able to convey it to you. It would more be like, be akin to, let's say, a monkey dancing in front of you. So that would have been for all practical purposes the same thing.